face to face and heart to heart. We're so close yet so far apart. I close my eyes, I look away. That's just because I'm not okay. But I hold on, I stay strong, wondering if we still belong. Will we ever say the words we're feeling? Reach down underneath and tear down all the walls. Will we ever have a happy ending? Or will we forever only be pretending? Will we please be pretending? How long do I fantasize? Make believe that it's still alive. Imagine that I am good enough, and we can choose the ones we love. But I hold on, I stay strong, wondering if we still belong. Will we ever say the words we're feeling? Reach down underneath and tear down all the walls. Will we ever have a happy ending? Or will we forever only be pretending? Will we please
It happens all around us and you can't even see that the reactions in this work can cause serious agony. Metals and oxygen turn into oxides. Come with me, I'll take you on the ride of your life. Physical reactions, they can come back. The chemical ones have lost their track. Tell me what you could really do. Instant chemical reactant got onto you. Onto you. You learn all about them in your science class. You see the reactions in the beakers made of glass. You might get some metal, light it on fire. That's all what happens is what you desire. If you put some salt into something fizzy, it'll blow so hot it'll make you dizzy. Throw an electromagnetic interaction, a scientific reaction. You learn all about them in your science class. You'll see the reactions in the beakers made of glass. You might get some metal and light it on fire. That's all what happens is what you desire.